welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having a great day. Leave me down in the comments how your day is going, what you think of the video. I love hearing from you guys. And as always, please do give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. As you can see from the description below, today we have our April 2019 Scentbird. Love this subscription so much. If you watched my video last month, you know that I just recently found out that you don't have to just get perfume. You can get makeup. They have palettes, they have Tarte products, they have Kat Von D, they have candles, they have all kinds of stuff that still fits into the $14.95 a month subscription. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Scentbird. It will get you a free month, so it's a buy one, get one free. So that's always great. And let's get in here. I don't remember because I go in and put stuff in my queue and then it just shows up. So I don't remember what this is. I do believe this is going to be a perfume this month because I got a Deck of Scarlet palette last month, which I loved. All right, so it looks like we have a couple little, this is extra. This says, your skin routine starts here. And it's just going over some different products. And I'm wondering if maybe they have these products on, oh, it's like a pamphlet. I'm sitting here trying to unfold it. So I'm wondering if they have these products on their site and there's something that you could get instead of a perfume 1 month if you wanted to. I mean, I'm seeing Elemis, Patchology, Glow Recipe, Saturday Skin, Kapari, Elemis. I think I already said that. Perlice, Wander Beauty. So that's awesome. And then, okay, I remember this now. Okay, so I've actually gotten this perfume before because this perfume, you guys, smells so good. It is like probably one of my favorites. And what I like about Scentbird too, especially when you do go for the perfumes, if you are not familiar with the way a perfume smells, but you know that you prefer, you know, amber scents or citrusy scents or floral scents, they describe the notes of the perfume for you, so you can kind of go off of that, and I have yet to be disappointed based off of that. In fact, I don't think there was ever a perfume that I've gotten that I had smelled prior to receiving it in Scentbird. So that's awesome. And this month, again, this was one of the first ones I got, but it is the Versace Crystal Noir. This smells so good. And the notes here, it says, Crystal Noir's voluptuous decadence begins with rich tropical coconut, heady gardenia, and ginger spicy kick that fades into a hot pulse of spicy amber and vanilla tinged sandalwood. So, and then it'll do, and this is what you actually will see on the website as well. It'll show you like the notes here. And then always every month you get the card reminding you. And it comes in the little tube. And then this is what it looks like. And it has the perfume name there on it. So I actually don't have perfume on today. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this just smells so fabulous. I love this so much. That's why I added it back to my queue. It smells amazing. So, yes. Yes. So, I will put a link, like I said, down below. If you choose to use that link, it will get you a free month. And like I said, you don't have to just do perfume. You can do makeup. And they do have, like I said, Tarte, Deck of Scarlet palettes. They have Kat Von D products. They have such a variety. They have skincare. They have candles. It's just, it blows my mind that it took me like 7 months to realize this. So, Yeah, I definitely recommend it, especially if you want to mix up your perfumes, but you don't want to shell out, $150 a bottle to have a variety. This is a great way to do that. So that link will be down below, as well as the link to our 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Don't forget to enter that if you have not already. And if you have not, please do hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.